Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello to Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with bookmarks list in Google Chrome. So for this case we will go to the Google Chrome that already I have here. So this is my bookmark, so I will work this. So how? So here the bookmarks and list, click here and we will do first of all bookmarks, this new tab. See, this is the new tab. Again, hide bookmarks. So is it hide one side and hide? See, there has the group thing has been hide. If I want to work with open a new tab 6, here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at a time the 6th new folder has been opened. See, so in this way we can do this thing. Again we can close this. See, then again go to the thing, read the list, show or add. See here, show, also close and go to the another thing, other bookmarks. So let's go to the where manager. See here, we can also go to the Control plus Shift plus O. See here the things we can do this thing, new tab, mobile bookmarks. Can I work from here? See, this is the things. If when I insert or just save in my phone, that thing has been shown here, mobile bookmarks, and the thing has been open directly from here. See, so in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.